We often learn about conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to another. Today we will perform a very simple experiment to show that how energy gets converted from one form to another and how does the body utilizes that energy to bring an impact. We have taken a transparent plastic container with suji. You can take any other powdery material like atta, maida or even sand. So we have this pencil and we have made 8 yellow rings over the pencil just to mark levels on the pencil. So what are we going to do is we will drop the pencil from a certain height into this heap of suji and then observe what happens. So for now we will drop it from a smaller height. So right now the pencil has potential energy by virtue of its height. As we know that potential energy is equal to mgh. Now the moment we drop the pencil, the potential energy that was stored in the pencil gets converted into kinetic energy and that kinetic energy causes the impact. Now what's the impact? The impact is that the pencil created a hole inside this heap of suji and then settled there, right? So right now how many rings do you see? So we see all the 8 rings right now. That means just only the one tip of the pencil went inside. So very little part of it went inside. Now let's do one thing. Let's drop the pencil from a slightly greater height. So this time only 6 rings are visible. So that means the total there were 8 rings, right? So those 2 rings also went inside. So what happened? The moment we increased the height, the potential energy was also more. So this time when we dropped the pencil, the kinetic energy was also more. Now since the kinetic energy was more, the impact was also more. Impact was more means the pencil went more deep inside the heap of suji. Let us drop the pencil from even greater heights. So this time only 5 rings are visible. So this simple experiment very clearly proves that as we increase the height from which we drop the pencil, the potential energy increases. Therefore, when we drop the pencil, the kinetic energy also increases and therefore the impact of kinetic energy is also more. So in this case, the impact was the maximum and that is why the pencil went maximum deep inside. So with this simple experiment, we very clearly saw the conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy and also the impact that the kinetic energy can bring. So I hope you enjoyed it and I'm sure that you will also perform this experiment at your home and please share your feedback with us. Like and share the video, subscribe to our channel to get daily updates. Thank you.